Van's loaded. Just waiting on Harry now. This kid right here had a rough night last night. Let's hear about it, man. How you feeling?
Doing fine. Feeling like I'm about to rip some moto.
I'm sorry about last night calling and asking if you were with one girl and you were with another.
Yeah, see, that doesn't typically go over well, but you said it so quickly.
Thank God,
that
dude.
she didn't catch on to what you're saying. I don't think she knows the name that you said.
I was nervous.
So
I felt so bad after. I was like, it's gotta be her. And then I was like, oh shit, it's not. Oh well. Look who decided to show up. There he is.
Congratulations.
Little late, but that's all right.
You guys have won the sweepstakes. You get a day to ride with me.
We're here getting the Breakfast of Champions, all right? Look, the Breakfast of Champions includes...
What is I don't even know what it is yet.
It includes 1 sausage burrito, 1 sausage McMuffin,
And a drink of your choice.
a drink
I
of
thought
your
there
choice.
had to be a fruit
but
punch.
typically it's a fruit punch.
Okay.
But after we ride today, we're gonna go to R&R Tenders in Hilliard, Florida, and we're gonna do a tender review because Tucker said Tommy's tender review not where it's at.
No.
Tommy's tender's not cutting the tender
Look,
requirement.
I'm the real tender man, all right? Tommy Tender's over here reviewing Huey Magoo's, right? Bro, this is old shit. I've been going to Magoo since I was 16 years old, all right?
Listen, here's another thing too. Who the fuck is gonna rate the tenders on crispiness and tenderness? We wanna know if they're fucking good. I don't even think he said if they're good. And then he's trying to hate on the sauces, talking about the honey mustard's too sweet. Nah, my dude.
First of all,
such thing.
no honey mustard is too sweet. Take your sweet ass back to Chick-fil-A, Tommy.
Without egg, please. Yeah. And that'll do it. Yes, ma'am.
I'll be back.
Where's this kid go? Oh shit, that's the restroom. Somebody beat him to the shitter. Got the plug on the watermelon, but bro, it's got fucking seeds in it, bro. Who buys watermelon with seeds in it?
Listen, I'm pretty sure it's contaminated. Not 100%. All right, listen. So we have these passes where we can ride here whenever we want, anytime that the track is open. And she randomly walks up, decides she's gonna give just us a couple slices of fat ass watermelon. You sink down my fucking
look how many seeds are in it.
Dude, that's what I'm saying. It's gotta be plugged.
more the merrier, all right?
Alright,
Grab a chair.
I got back from the restroom, and my opinion on the watermelon, when we first got it, I first took a bite, it was good. I spit out about 80 seeds, and then now, it's just a little soggy and mushy, and I'm just not, try the melon. No, no.
started, we had summer football camp, and all 50 of us had to sleep on cots in the cafeteria at school. And the freshman kids, like the senior dudes, would just piss in their Gatorade bottles when they were sleeping. And then our football coach was insane. He'd wake us up at 3 o'clock in the morning with pots and pans, just banging them as loud as he could. I'm not even kidding. And then we'd have to go to the beach at like 3 o'clock in the morning and run till the sun came up. And kids would just be like drinking piss in the morning before we left to go. I'm not kidding, I swear. It's disgusting, but it's true.
One time in high school, we were on like a bus ride for like a fucking lacrosse game, and this kid, it was like 2 hours away, this kid fell asleep with his neck fucking yanked back, and we just started stuffing Have you ever had Stoker's, like the chew that comes in the
It's
big
like
tub?
super long cut.
Yeah, we started stuffing it in his gums, bro, to where it just looked like he had Stoker's hairs coming out of his mouth. And he never woke up, dude, until he got there. And he just had a fucking full horseshoes, dude.
God.
You know his throat was hurting because it was pouring down his throat.
Are you loading all your stuff up, son?
Yeah. Let's see these spoiled kids over here. Let's see all their bikes. 19, right? What is he?
It's actually a...
Yeah.
For sale.
I think the
cat. 2019.
I think the Cowie looks better than the YZ though.
You're fucking smoked. You are on.